Let us solve a question on how to find out the equilibrium level of income. The question is, if marginal propensity to save is 0.3, autonomous consumption is 50 and investment is 100, the equilibrium level of income will be, the options are being given, we need to find out the correct option. Okay, so what we are being given, we are being given the marginal propensity to save is equal to 0.3. okay, autonomous consumption, let's denote it by C naught, it is being given as 50. Investment, which is also autonomous here, that is investment is equal to 100, and we are supposed to find out the equilibrium level of income. Okay, now since we are being given MPS is equal to 0.3, we know the relationship, that is the marginal propensity to consume plus marginal propensity to save is equal to 1. The sum of these marginal propensities is equal to 1. So MPS is equal to 0.3. I can write MPC plus 0.3 is equal to 1, which implies MPC will be equal to 1 minus 0.3, that is marginal propensity to consume is equal to 0.7 here. Okay, now next we need to find out the consumption function. So the general consumption function is, that is consumption is equal to A plus B Y. Okay, and what is A here? Autonomous consumption, that does not depend upon the level of income. B denotes the marginal propensity to save. So our C is equal to, A is autonomous consumption is being given us as, or let's denote it by C naught here, because we have denoted here it by C naught. So autonomous consumption is 50 plus marginal propensity to consume is 0.7, which we find out, times Y. Now we know at equilibrium, okay, our total, what we call aggregate demand, should be equal to aggregate supply, and here total income should be equal to total expenditure. So Y should be equal to, what is our Y should be equal to consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure. Okay, so Y will be equal to, what is our consumption function, that is 50 plus 0.7 Y, and investment is being given as 100. So I can write it here 100, which implies 100 plus 50 is 150. So Y will be equal to 150 plus 0.7 Y. Okay, transposing this 0.7y to LHS, it will get subtracted, so we will get here 150 on the right hand side. So we get 0.3y. When I subtract 0.7y from y, I will get 0.3y is equal to 150. So 0.3 can be written as 3 upon 10, y is equal to 150. Okay, which implies, if I have the space, let me write it here. So y will be equal to 150. When I transpose 3 upon 10, it will get multiplied but reciprocated, it becomes 10 upon 3. So equilibrium level of income will be equal to 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. So 50 into 10 is 500. Okay, so the correct option should be C option here. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.